Hello and welcome to another fun-filled episode of Resto-Rob. I've been out and about. I had to make a trip to Colorado. The Resto kids tied the knot, and so I have returned home, and I have some. I've returned home, and I have had some packages waiting for me. So I'm going to show you what we got. First off, thank you, Gunner Garage. Bob, thank you so much. This is cool. So Bob sent me this Bonney Stilson. This is cool, badass, 14-inch. Yeah, I don't have one. So, Bob, thank you so much. I appreciate that. This is just cool. Again, thank you, Bob. Check out his channel. Next comes from Minnesota Outlaw Customs, Arco. He sent me a plethora of things. We got a plum extension. This is Iron Age, kind of like the Planet Junior. I have one that I've restored, so this is cool. We've got this New Haven, Connecticut. I'm trying to read it through the camera. Kilbourne and Bishop. Drop forged. Saxon wrench. So we got ourselves a really cool alligator wrench. This is going to clean up really well. This cool ass 1 1/16 by 13 or 31/32. Most common sizes I use. Not really, but look at that. That is really cool wrench right there. That's going to clean up really well. And this Billings, we'll clean this up and see if we can't get it looking pretty again. So look at this. It's a Bonney chisel. Oh wait, a Bonney chisel. So 2 cold chisels. Oh wait, a Bonney, 3rd Bonney cold chisel. Arco, thank you. You're the man. And then I got this. It says open. And we got this Outlaw Customs key fob, key tag. So this is cool. This is going to go into, I don't know what I'm going to put it on, but this is cool. Thanks, Arco. Appreciate that. So this is my little quick tool haul. So that's what I've been up to. Got this little bit of tool haul going on. Did the trip to Colorado, came back. So I'm gonna have a big announcement coming up here. A lot of life changes are gonna happen with the Resto-Rob channel. Actually, tell you right now, I'm Colorado bound. I'm returning back to Colorado. We're gonna take care of my wife's my in-laws, my wife's family. So we're gonna pack up the truck and head to Colorado. We'll be in the Pueblo area, and so figure August 1st might be the time that we head on out. So I'm gonna slow down on everything. I'm currently sending stuff out to people, selling stuff that's not worth selling but still good, been donated to Habitat for Humanity. But overall, it's time to get out of Dodge, get out of the Flint, Michigan area, and go to the bright, sunny Colorado. So stay tuned for updates, and that's where the Resto-Rob channel is going. So we're returning to Colorado. Thanks for watching. So please like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'll share updates, and we'll check you later.